Okay, so hello guys, once again welcome you all. So now I am going to give you some important observations that we are getting from the three trigonometric ratios. So our first trigonometric ratio is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This one is our first trigonometric ratio. From here we can say that sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. That means in place of sine square theta you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if I write cos square theta, then it will be 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, if I write only sine theta, then to avoid this square we have to add a root over sign here. So to add root over 1 minus cos square theta. And similarly for cos theta, to find cos theta we can write root over of 1 minus sine square theta. So these are the four observations that we are getting from the first trigonometric ratio. Okay, so now we will see some important observations that we are getting from the second trigonometric identity. So I have written it on the board. This one is our second trigonometric identity. From here sec square theta is given, but we don't know what is sec theta. So sec theta will be root over of 1 plus tan square theta. Very simple, because it is square. To avoid this square we have to add root over sign to its opposite side. So in RHS we are adding root over 1 plus tan square theta. Now these are the cases of sec theta. Now let us see for tan theta. See tan theta will be equals to sec square theta minus 1 and tan square theta will be equals to sec square theta minus 1 and tan theta will be root over of sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. And a third observation we are getting, fourth observation, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So these are the four observations we are getting from the second trigonometric identity. So now let us see some important observations from the third trigonometric identity. So cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. From here we can say that cosec theta is equals to root over of 1 plus cot square theta, and these are the cases of cosec theta. Now let us see observations from cot square theta or cot theta. So cot theta will be equals to cosec square theta minus 1, and similarly it will be cot square theta, and cot theta will be equals to root over of cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the observations from cosec and cot. Now let us see combination. So this is some combination. That means if cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, so if we take cot square theta to LHS, then we will get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So these are the four observations that we will get from the third trigonometric identity.